Hey guys, it's Carter. I just wanted to bring you a really quick chart. This is Celestica. I have it trading on the TSX at $57.77. Now, I think this is a great swing trade opportunity that I myself have taken, but please remember that I am not a financial advisor and I don't give financial advice. So we've been holding this ascending support line since May of 2023. Every time you come back down to this level, you see a bounce. Bounce right here, bounce right here, bounce right here, bounce right here. You get the point. And we're back at this level. And not only do we have that ascending support, this is a huge level of horizontal support. The concern here is that we don't have another huge horizontal level until around $40. So if you break this level here at around 55, 56, you're heading down to around 40. It's likely that you head down to 40 because you did not make much market structure on the way up. You're not going to have much market structure to rely on if you crash. But nonetheless, I do think we are going to see a bounce right here. So zooming in on this chart, we actually see a few major clues to why we might have a very nice bounce at this level. One of the first things you'll notice right off the bat is the nature in which we fell into the support. We didn't crash into the support. This move down from $87 to 57 has been slow and methodical in a three-wave move. Three-wave moves are corrective in nature. Yeah, that's what we want to see if you want to see a bounce. That's what the bulls want to see. A three-wave move into support, a five-wave move down would increase the likelihood of further downside, so that's what you wouldn't want to see. Because this is a corrective three-wave move down as it stands, it increases the probabilities of us making a new local high and eventually breaking this $87 level. Another thing that is telling us we are oversold right now is the RSI. We are quite literally oversold on the RSI. And if you turn your attention to the MACD, we've had such strong bearish momentum lately, we've gotten down to one of the lowest points in history on this chart, which is absolutely absurd. So we're totally oversold via our indicators on this chart. So yeah, things are actually looking pretty bullish right now for CLS. The risk is certainly much lower now that we're at this support instead of being way overextended up here. So if you were thinking about buying this stock in July, then it is officially 35% off the highs from July. So yeah, you have a much better deal on this stock right now. And everything I'm seeing on this chart right now is bullish as long as we're holding the $55 level. So we've established, I think this stock is heading up. Let's look at our resistance levels on this chart. So our first minor resistance level could be at around the $65 to $70 level. Right in here is around 65, 66. And you have this downsloping resistance that could potentially add some confluence. This $77 level, this pivot right here, this could act as some more major resistance. So this $65 to $70 level, I would say, is much more minor resistance compared to the $77 level right here. We want to make a higher pivot right here. We want to take out the high of this pivot, okay? And if we can do that, establish above this level, I think we could easily run up to $87 and potentially make new highs towards the end of the year or at the start of next year. All right, I am bullish on CLS. I have been buying. I have an average of 56 Canadian dollars. And yeah, I am looking for upside. That's all I got. Have a good one.